The best laundry bags to keep your clothes organized. Keep your dirty clothes separate and organized with our list of the best laundry bags. Laundry bags allow you to keep soiled laundry neatly. They ensure unwashed and clean items aren't mixed up, and dirty clothes aren't piled up around the house. Most laundry bags are foldable, well-ventilated, easy to clean, and easy to use. You can carry them while traveling to keep your clothes and other belongings organized. However, choosing the right bag may be challenging with various options available. So, browse our list of products and features to choose a laundry bag that suits your needs. Number 1. Best damage-resistant Bagail Mesh Laundry Bags. The set has 5 premium-grade polyester mesh laundry bags that are soft and strong. They are available in extra large, 1, large 2, and medium 2 sizes for convenient separation of wide and colored clothes, undergarments, and small clothes. You can wash these durable and damage-resistant bags directly in your washing machine and the dryer. These mesh bags keep the items in place while washing and are soundless, unlike other zippered bags. The smart zipper guard tucks in the zip, so they do not make the washing cycle noisy or create snags. The breathable mesh protects your delicate clothes and increases their lifespan. Number of items. 5 shape. Rectangular product dimensions. 24 inches long by 24 inches width and 1 inch high. Color. White material. Polyester. Item weight. 7.2 ounces. What we like. Protect the clothes from wrinkles and twists. Made of high-quality thick material. Double as storage bags for swimsuits. Available in different colored zippers. What we don't like. The zipper may be fragile. Bags do not come with loops for hanging. Number 2. Best machine washable. Handy laundry nylon laundry bag. If you do not have a washing machine at home, the handy laundry bags can be of great help to carry your dirty clothes to the laundromat or back home for washing. The heavy-duty laundry bag is tough and durable, with a capacity to hold 60 pounds of clothes. This rip and tear-proof bag has a drawstring closure to keep your clothes from falling out and dusting. Easier to carry than a laundry basket. The mesh bag is machine washable and reusable. The jumbo laundry bag is available in 2 sizes, 22 by 32 inch and 30 by 40 inch, making it an ideal large capacity laundry bag. Made of 100% nylon, it is sturdy and comes in various colors. This sorting laundry bag is perfect for those living in dorms or apartments without the facility of regular washing machines. Number of items. 1 shape. Oblong color. Black material. Nylon. Item weight. 6.7 ounces. What we like. Easy to clean. Ideal for traveling. Versatile. Use doubles as a storage bag. Convenient and portable. What we don't like. Seams may be loosely stitched. Drawstring may fray. Number 3. Best long-lasting. Swissalite heavy-duty laundry drawstring bag. The Swissalite laundry bag features a drawstring-style closure to prevent spillage, with hand straps for easy portability. It is made of soft, durable, and water-resistant polyester cotton material, and its large size can easily store 3 to 4 loads of laundry at a time, making it an appropriate choice for dorm rooms. What we like. Breathable laundry bag. Tear-resistant. Machine washable. Available in multiple colors and patterns. Double-stitched seam for added sturdiness. What we don't like. Color may run. May shrink after the first wash. Number 4. Best anti-rust zippers. Kamama Mesh Laundry Bag. Try the Kamama Extra Large Mesh Laundry Bags that are ideal for storing large and small clothing. They measure 24 by 24 inches and are made of 125 GSM net fabric. The bags come with anti-rust, auto-lock zippers to protect your belongings from falling out, and a safe side cover to protect your machine from scratches. Available in sets of 2 or 3 and in various sizes. The Kamama laundry bags make great travel organizers too. These bags can be used for storage and are perfect separators when sharing a machine load with a friend. Item weight. 7.8 ounces. Number of items. 2 shape. Rectangular product dimensions. 23.6 by 23.6 and 0.1 inch. Color. Gray material. Polyester. What we like. The honeycomb structure makes them sturdy, suitable for coats, suits, dresses, and more. Can also be used to pack clothes in the suitcase. Made of non-deformable and long-lasting polypropylene. What we don't like. The zipper may not withstand rough use. Number 5. Best tear-proof. Delicate Backpack Laundry Bag. The Delicate laundry bags can hold up to 3 machine loads of 44 pounds laundry. The multifunctional Laundry Coon backpacks are made of durable, tear-proof 600D Oxford cloth, and the double stitches on the joints ensure stronger seams. Machine washable and waterproof. The 13 by 29-inch delicate machine bags are great for family use or carrying clothes to the laundromat. The bag's torso-length body with adjustable shoulder straps of a width of 1.9 inches and extendable length of 28.4 inches make them easy to maintain as backpacks, relieving pressure off the shoulders. The bags have a 13 by 9-inch external mesh pocket for carrying detergent or conditioner, and a 6.3 x 7 inches inner zippered pocket to hold your money or phone. Item weight: 9.1 ounces. Number of items: 1 shape, round. Product dimensions: 13 by 13 and 29 inches. Color: gray. Material: nylon. What we like: have an internal pocket with a zipper closure. Doubles up as a hanging laundry bag. Reinforced stitching at joints. Suitable for camping. What we don't like: straps may not be durable. Straps may not be positioned accurately. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.